The reason why I'm here is because democracy is dying and we need to protect it. And about the protest, there were barricades there जहाँ पर कुछ एक्टिविटी नहीं हो रही थी. हमें लगा तब शांत है तो हम चेक करने के लिए आगे गए कि कितना आगे जा सकते हो. लोग वहाँ खड़े थे, कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. We were just standing there. अचानक से they started with their लाठीज. There was no warning. There was no कि तुम पीछे हो जाओ हम मार देंगे. वो लाठी आके मारने लगे. And in that ruckus, people started to run. There was a stampede. I saw two women, two people who were under the barricade somehow stuck there, and people were trying to just protect themselves and run away. And even the रास्ता to exit, उन्होंने बैरिकेड लगाया. छोटा सा इतना सा जगह है, वहां से घुसने के लिए तो होगा ही ना. And then the people with the blue uniform, they were stopping people from going away because they wanted them to be beaten up. And वहाँ से मैं पता नहीं कैसे भागा हूँ. This is my first protest, and that was a moment when I feared for my life for the first time. एंड वहाँ से मैं कैसे भागा हूँ. आई थिंक मुझे यहाँ पे लगी हुई है, मुझे दर्द अब शुरू हुआ है. 2 घंटे पहले नहीं पता चल रहा था. बट फ्रॉम देयर वी रैन अवे. वी केम टू द स्पॉट हियर जहाँ पे सब लोग वेट कर रहे थे. दे स्टार्टेड थ्रोइंग टीयर गैसेस देयर ऑल्सो. उन लोगों ने अंदर भी फेंका. सब लोग चिल्ला रहे थे बिकॉज एवरीबडी वॉज टीयरिंग अप इन देयर आइज. तो सब यहाँ पर भाग के यहाँ पर आए हैं. यहाँ से कुछ लोग एग्जिट करना चाहते हैं, कुछ लोग वहाँ जाना चाहते हैं. दे वर थ्रोइंग टीयर गैसेस इन दैट डायरेक्शन. But if you don't want to go there, if you want to go in that direction, वहाँ पर भी वो लोग हैं, they are throwing tear gases. And
is it without warning या पहले उनको
it is without warning. You just hear something swoosh come out of the air, and then that's it. There was smoke, and before you know it, your eyes will turn red.
was there like very close to the barricades? Any violence from the protesters?
No, there was no violence from the protesters. They were in fact just trying to understand from the police what is happening, what is the situation like, because they don't know when they will start, violence. Because the protesters have been peaceful for a month. Today also they've been peaceful, and there's been ambulances running away from here and there. The protesters are clearing the ambulance ka path. They're cooperating. It's just that the police, and moreover the one who's controlling them, he's the one responsible for it, right? Because some of the police people are only trying to do their jobs. And I don't know, I'm just scared.
Message to the crowd like one who couldn't manage to come here, but maybe a message will go to protest what failed.
This protest, the reason that this protest has received this resistance of this scale, to my knowledge this is the largest scale of resistance that any protest has ever received in India. It is because this protest is for the right reason, and the government does not want you to pursue the right reasons, and that is the reason they are throwing tear gases. They are doing lathi charge. They're beating people up. I saw so many people. There were women. They were I'm not sure, they're probably minors also. They were hurt, and I recorded some of those videos also.
Um, so, what do you think the government could have done better, or the police authority?
The only thing that they could have done better, they just had to do one thing, and that was to come to Jantar Mantar and have a conversation with the people who have raised this concern. If that would have happened, none of the people would have had to come to streets today. None of the people would have had to feel unsafe. None of the people would have had to be hurt by the system.
And what
That's
do you
all.
think are the solutions to improve the situation?
I'm not sure if I'm in the right condition to give you the right solutions, but one of the things could be that we have to stop the government to have more than one tenure at this time, because this is BJP's third tenure, if I'm not wrong. And the reason they have become this fearless and shameless is because they know कि हम राज कर रहे हैं, हमको कुछ नहीं हुआ, हमको कुछ नहीं होगा. That is the reason. And once you voted for your leader, there is no turning back. So on the day when you vote for the next government, you have to remember this day. You have to remember what happened here in Jantar Mantar protest on 20th of July, because this was uncalled for.
So, you said you come from out of town.
I've,
That
yeah,
you
I'm
belong
from
to
Dehradun. Yeah.
Your parents are there? Your
Yes,
family?
yes.
Any message for them?
I
they know you are
I
here?
actually told my mother that I would be going to a protest, and she said to be careful and all. And I know that's only because she doesn't understand the scale of this protest and the scale of what's that word,
Intensity.
intensity of this protest and what could happen to people. If she knew, she would she would not let me come. No, she wouldn't.
So, now do you want to say something to them?
I think I was double-minded before I came to this protest a day before yesterday, but something really I don't know what you call it, happened to me last night. I was scrolling through Instagram and there was one video. You know that all of these kids that have committed suicide because of the paper leak, right? Their posters have been printed there. I saw one of the videos. It was about one of the students, Riya Thapa. She was from Dehradun. And when I saw that video, I just instantly knew that I know this person. And I kept seeing it. And then I realized that she is a distant relative of mine. Not a direct cousin, but a cousin of the cousin. But that I took as a sign that even if I had double minds or second thoughts about attending this protest, I should be here. I should be here for her. I should be here for all the people, all the kids that have felt so helpless. And I want to just say, because I saw the suicide note that she left, and in that note she had said that I'm just having a hard time remembering because it's a really disturbing thing. It said that it was nobody's fault but my own incompetence. I'm sorry and I love you. And there was a smiley face in the end. And she wrote it with a pencil. And I saw this in that video. That was it.
Goosebumps.
Yeah, yeah.
It's so sad that she had to blame it on herself.
Yes.
It's not.
She was just, I don't know, 17 or 18, right? And the fact that a minor has to blame himself because of the system failure, the failure of the people who are responsible to, I don't know, man, what to say. It's just.
Can we see where you're hurt?
I was hit here. It's not showing, but I
But
think
it's
it's
an
swollen.
internal injury.
Yeah. I didn't realize it at the moment, but it started hurting like half hour ago when I realized the intensity of things that have been
कल
happening.
सुबह और
Here.
पता चलेगा.
I think so. I think so.
Would you like some water?
No, I have water. Actually, I would like some water if you have. Yeah.
What do you have in your bag?
I have some water bottles and I packed some protein bars with me because there's no food here, so wanted to carry some protein bars with me.
Okay, the fact that you're injured, are you also carrying some first aid?
No, I didn't carry a first aid because I didn't think I would need a first aid in a peaceful protest like today. But apparently, it turns out I was wrong.
Alright, thank you so much and my best wishes to you.
Yeah, same to you also.
Thank you. I'd like to take down your number.
Oh yeah.
Arre! Don't do that.